In this question, you're given that the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are non-real complex. That is, they have imaginary roots, and a plus c is less than b. This is a condition which is given, and you're asked to find the relation between 4a plus c and 2b. 4a plus c and 2b. Now this is a very tricky question, but a simple question. So whenever you're given that the roots of this equation are non-real complex, so you tend to go to the condition on discriminant, right? If the roots of this equation are non-real complex, then b square is less than 4ac, or b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So this question is not based on this concept. This question is based on your understanding of the graphs of quadratic functions. Now, if this equation has imaginary roots, if you draw the graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, if the discriminant of this is negative, this graph lies either completely above x-axis or completely below x-axis. So this graph does not cut x-axis. So if discriminant is less than 0, the graph might lie completely above the x-axis or completely below the x-axis. So this is the conclusion from the first statement. Next statement is a plus c is less than b. This is a nice condition. See what this means. This means that a minus b plus c is less than 0. What is a minus b plus c? A minus b plus c is nothing but the value of y at x is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, you get a minus b plus c. So the value of y at x is equal to minus 1 is less than 0. That means at one value of x, at a sample value of x, the value of y is negative. So which case should it be out of these two? So this case is negated, because if this graph lies completely above x-axis, for no value of x, y will be less than 0. This will be always greater than 0. So for one value of x, y is less than 0. That means we are looking at this graph, and if at one value minus 1, if y is negative, at all other values of x, the value of y is negative. And if you carefully see the conditions which are given, the conditions are about y at x is equal to minus 2, right? So what is y at minus 2? This should also be less than 0. So 4a minus 2b plus c has to be less than 0. 4a plus c has to be less than 2b. So answer B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.